In the realm of punk rock, the sound of rebellion resonates, echoed through the raw energy and unapologetic attitude of 10 pivotal bands. These architects of punk sparked a cultural revolution, and their influence reverberates through the annals of music history. From the streets of London to the underground clubs in New York, punk rock burst into existence with the Ramones. Their stripped-down three-chord anthems like Blitzkrieg Bop set the stage for punk, creating a blueprint that would shape the genre's raw and undiluted sound. The Sex Pistols amplified punk's rebellious spirit. Their anti-establishment anthems like God Save the Queen and Anarchy in the UK, challenging the conventions of the music industry and becoming rallying cries for disenchanted youth. With a blend of punk, reggae, ska, and rock, the Clash transcended the genre, their socially conscious sound addressing issues of political unrest, social inequality, and cultural clash in tracks like London Calling. Dead Kennedys, led by frontman Jello Biafra, injected punk with a dose of satire and subversion. Their frenetic pace and biting social commentary in tracks like Holiday in Cambodia and California Uber Alice made them punk classics with a potent message. Black Flag, led by the enigmatic Henry Rollins, pioneered the hardcore punk movement with their relentless touring schedule, aggressive sound, and DIY ethos, influencing a generation of punk bands with their unbridled energy. Blending punk with horror aesthetics, the Misfits created the genre of horror punk. Their ghoulish image and anthems like Last Caress influenced bands across genres, from metal to alternative. The Buzzcocks brought melody to the punk scene, pioneering the pop-punk sound with catchy hooks and introspective lyrics in tracks like Ever Fallen in Love with Someone You Shouldn't Have. The Stooges, led by the charismatic Iggy Pop, laid the groundwork for punk with their raw and reckless sound. Their primal punk expressions in Search and Destroy and I Wanna Be Your Dog inspired generations of musicians. Emerging in the 1990s, Rancid carried the punk torch into a new era. Their blend of punk, ska, and oi kept the spirit of rebellion alive, influencing a new wave of bands and proving that punk's legacy is far from over. Green Day brought punk to the masses in the 90s with their breakthrough album, Dookie. While their commercial success sparked debate, their impact in introducing punk to a new generation and revitalizing the genre is undeniable. These 10 bands not only defined punk rock, but they also ignited a cultural revolution that continues to echo through generations. Their influence is imprinted on the face of music history, a testament to the power and enduring legacy of punk rock. With each power chord and rebellious lyric, they challenged the status quo and reshaped the musical landscape, proving that punk is more than just a genre. It's a movement, an ethos, a battle cry. It's the sound of rebellion, resonating from the past through the present and into the future. It's punk rock.